Po, tapos na po si Miele sa kanyang 3 sessions ng anti-rabies vaccine. Today is your 3rd session of your anti-rabies vaccine, right? Are you afraid? No? Very good. You're brave? Okay na, done na. Very good. Very good. Tapos na po si Miele sa kanyang 3 sessions ng anti-rabies vaccine.
Meanwhile,
Eating, baby girl. What are you eating? Are you eating hamburger? Whoa, is it yummy? Nice. And Melly also has calamansi juice. Wow. Para daw hindi na siya ubuhin kasi po nilalagnat po ang ating baby Miel. Natatapos sila ng kanyang last session ng anti-rabies vaccine. At as usual, hindi siya umiyak kasi brave girl po ang ating Melly. Right, Melly? Brave girl ikaw? Melly? Are you a brave girl? Brave girl naman pala yan. Yummy ba yung burger? Wow! Say bye-bye now. Bye-bye! Bye-bye! Baba, nilalagnat po kasi ang aming baby kaya medyo matamlay ang mata.
much later. A few minutes later.
Wow! So good, Peach.